गोकुळात रंग खेळतो हरी, राधिके जरा जपून जा तुझ्या घरी. आज गोकुळात रंग खेळतो हरी, राधिके जरा जपून जा तुझ्या घरी. आज गोकुळात सखी.
Okay. Shreyanshi ma'am is waiting to narrate the facts about Holika Dahan. Let's listen to her and then come back to the colors. Okay? Over to you, Shreyanshi ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. So now you know the story behind how the festival got its name, Holi. And from where did it get? Whose name?
From Holika.
Holika. So was Holika good or evil?
Evil.
Evil. So the day before Holi, we celebrate Holi, that is on the eve of Holi, there is another festival named as Holika Dahan. What do you mean by Holika Dahan? Dahan means what? Anybody knows? To end. Khatam karna. Ya to kill. That is Dahan. So if Holika was ill, if she was bad, so we are doing Holika Dahan, means we are destroying the bad thing. So today I will show you how we celebrate Holika Dahan. Okay?
And they put fire and put all the bad things in it. All the waste and old things.
No, not, we don't put, that is a puja. We don't put old things, but we use wood and we lit it. I will show you. Is it visible to everybody? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is Holika Dahan also marks the celebration of victory of good over evil. See, this is the arrangement. Before sunset, what people do is they collect all type of wood, or you can say combustible items, those items which can catch fire quickly. They make something like this and they put rangoli, they make different flowers with colors, with flowers, and they write Happy Holi. And this is done, this preparation is done just before sunset. And after sunset, what happens? And what they do, you know, we are celebrating Holika Dahan. And according to the story, you got to know that Holika sat on this wooden fire. Somebody is scribbling. Wait. Fire holding whom? Prahalad on her lap. So people also put statues, or you can say effigies of Holika and Prahalad and design like this. So when they burn it, Holika also burns in the fire. Yes, you learned from the story. So when after sunset, the fire is lit like this and it goes up and up and up. You know, people also put coconut in the fire. And all this, where does this happen? It happens, they celebrate in the open ground or open place near temples, or in the apartments, they celebrate in the society, right? You must have seen. And people gather, do puja, and they offer parikrama. What is parikrama? Going round and round beside the fire. Yes. This festival, this ritual is done just the day or the evening before we celebrate Holi. Next, when people celebrate outside this thing, what do you know what is made at home that day? All the regional delicacies. I'll tell you. Who will say what is the first one? I'm moving the cursor. Who will say? Pavitra, is anybody raising her hand or want to say?
Yeah, Injara wants to say. Yes, Injara.
Karjikai.
Yes? What? I didn't get you.
Correct. Shreyanshi, she said Karchikai. Karchika is gujia. In Kannada, we call it karchika.
Okay, I didn't hear it. Sorry. Okay, this is gujia. And this one, anybody knows? It is a namkeen, a salt item. This is called matri. These are all snacks. And you know, there are many famous songs you have heard where you must have seen people drinking a drink. What is that called, that drink? It is called... yes.
Called bang or something like that.
Yes, correct. That is called thandai. And they put something that is called bhang in it, which you get drowsy. And this one is malpua. These are all the delicacies. And the middle one is the most important one, without which there is no Holi. What is that?
Colors.
Yes, these are the colors.
Colors are my favorite.
Okay, so these are the things in which people get together and they celebrate Holi with their friends, relatives, loved ones. Got it, children? Now coming to this thing, why is it called victory of good over evil? You know, children, who can say what does this, okay, I have written, but what does this suggest? The first one is good, the second one is evil. In our world, or you can say in man's world, good and evil, they two are the working forces. Matlab, there is good and there also is evil. It is our responsibility to choose what is good and what is evil. Correct? Got it, children? So what do you want to choose?
Good.
Good. Everybody wants to choose good. If we choose good, we have to be good. Correct? So I will show you some pictures and you will tell me among the pictures which is good and which is bad. And comparing two pictures, you will say among good and bad, who won? The good one or the evil one? Okay? Can I get a thumbs up? Sabko samajh mein aaya? Yes. Okay. What do you see in this picture?
I can see Holika. Holding Prahalad.
Yes. So is it a good thing or an evil thing? Everybody should answer. Evil thing. Correct.
Evil thing.
Go to the next picture. What is this?
Good thing.
Oh, good thing. But what is going on? See, here Prahalad is praying to whom?
Lord Vishnu.
Lord Vishnu. So, among these two pictures, you say, who won?
Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu.
No, who won? The evil one or the good one?
Good.
Good. So, evil was destroyed as Holika was burnt into ashes. Correct?
Yes.
Was Prahalad harmed? Usko kuch hua tha?
No.
Oh, correct. Next one. Can you see what is happening in this picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is going on? Fighting. The Britishers are torturing the Indians. Yes, once upon a time we were ruled by the Britishers, right?
Yes.
So see the next picture in the middle, who you can see?
Gandhiji.
Gandhiji. Who is Gandhiji?
He's the father of the nation.
Correct, father of the nation. So you know Gandhiji and many other freedom fighters, they fought against the Britishers. And in the end, who won? The Britishers won or Gandhiji or our freedom fighters won?
Freedom fighters.
Yes, our freedom fighters and Gandhiji won. They had the victory in freeing India from the Britishers. So who won? Good one, right?
Yes.
Acha, next one. Who is this, you know?
Ravana.
No, this is not Ravana. This is a demon. I will tell a hint. Buffalo. We celebrate Dashara.
Lord Yama.
No, not Lord Yama. This is Mahishasur. You remember?
Yes.
Yes. Mahishasuramardini also is there.
Ha, Mahishasur. So Mahishasur is evil or good?
Evil.
Evil. And in this picture, what do you see?
And see Durga Ma killing
Durga killing
Mahishasur.
Mahishasur.
So who is defeating whom?
Durga is defeating
Ma is
Mahishasur.
defeating the Mahishasur.
Yes, or we can say the good is defeating the evil. There is victory of good over evil. Correct? Okay. Next one. Acha, who is this?
Ravana.
Ravana. Ravan was also good, right?
Yes.
He was some good, but last he became bad.
Okay, was he good in the beginning? But whatever what they did, was it good or bad?
Bad.
Bad. Bad. Or evil. We can say evil. And who is this and what is he doing?
Rama is killing Ravana.
Rama is killing Ravana. And what do we celebrate on that day?
Dashera.
Dashera. Correct.
And Diwali too.
Diwali is when Ramji comes back home. Okay, on Dashera, Ram kills Ravan. So is it the victory of evil over good? Yes, it is.
Yes.
Yes. Listen to me properly. It is the victory of evil over good. Correct?
Yes.
No.
No.
Who wins?
Evil.
Good wins. Ram wins. So it is the victory of good over evil. Got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So to be good or in achieving good and defeating evil or bad, what do we need to do? Who will say me?
Okay,
We
can you
should-
repeat the question?
To be good or to get the victory over evil or bad, what should we do? We should tell always
Truth.
Lord Krishna.
Lord Krishna. Yes, we should always chant Krishna's name or God's name. We should have faith, belief in God like Prahalad. Yes,
Yes.
we should have patience. We should have knowledge. Yes, we should stay away from all the bad things, all lies. Correct? In this way, we can be good and we can achieve the victory. Evil may be much more powerful, but if you stick to the way of good, you will always achieve victory at the end. Got it, children?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you like this part. Thank you.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Any doubts, children?
Yes, anybody wants to ask anything?
Ma'am, can you please repeat the snacks?
You want the snacks? Okay. There was gujia. Okay. Gujia. Then there was malpua. These gujia and malpua, they are sweets. And the namkeen or salty one, that was mathri. Yes, mathri. And the drink was thandai, or you can say it was lassi. Because see, this is the starting of winters. So while playing Holi, ab thak jate ho, you get thirsty. So it is better to drink lassi than water. It keeps your body cool and it gives you energy to enjoy. Okay? Got it, Sanvi and Smriti? Thank you.
Thank you, Shreyanshi ma'am. That was very interesting.